Welcome to our How to Guide on making a school uniform. It's a great way to ensure your child is dressed appropriately for school. Let's get started. Step 1. Check school guidelines. According to the National Center for Education Statistics, 21% of public schools require uniforms. Make sure you understand your school's uniform policy. Step 2. Take accurate measurements. This will ensure a proper fit for your child. Be sure to measure the chest, waist, hips, and inseam. Step 3. Purchase materials. You'll need fabric, thread, buttons, zippers, and any other materials required by the school. Make sure to buy high-quality materials for durability. Step 4. Choose a sewing pattern. Find a pattern that matches the style of the uniform specified by the school. Patterns can be found at fabric stores or online. Step 5. Carefully cut out the pieces. Use the pattern to cut out the fabric needed for each part of the uniform. Be precise and take your time. Step 6. Follow the pattern instructions. Pay attention to details like seams, hems, and any specific design elements. Take your time and sew carefully. Step 7. Periodically have the person try on the uniform. This will ensure a proper fit. Make any necessary adjustments as you go. Step 8. Attach buttons, zippers, and any other closures. Iron the uniform to give it a polished look. This will make your uniform look professional and neat. Step 9. Sew on any logos or emblems. If required by the school, sew on any logos or emblems. Make sure they are positioned correctly. Step 10. Carefully inspect the uniform. Check for loose threads, uneven seams, or other imperfections. Make any necessary corrections. Step 11. Provide washing and care instructions. Provide instructions for washing and caring for the uniform to ensure its longevity. This will help your uniform last longer. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide on how to make a school uniform. Remember, it's a detailed process, so don't hesitate to seek help if needed.